This is what they love doing when it's sunny. Just sunning themselves. That's Trouble. And that's Fat Girl. Fat Girl normally lays on her tummy. She's actually having a side... Oh, no, here we go. That's her favourite way to lay. And then puts her back legs out too. Look, Bingo wants to see where Jeremy's going. Bingo! Bingo! Hello! What are you doing? Bingo! Hello! Jeremy could have taken him. Bingo! We've been doing a fair bit of one-on-one with Bingo lately and noticed lots of improvements. Right now, I'm kind of say he's right in the condition I want him. He's got a nice, beautiful coat, beautiful back line, got the weight off of his hips now. Probably give him another year before we really start working him on sheep. But he can do lots of playing till then. He'll still do playing after that. He's starting to get along with the other dogs. Him and Rusty hate each other. Not sure why. Oh, Trouble's had a hard night. She's out at the count. Jackie, what are you doing? Hello. Hey, my little lady. Good girl. That's Trouble's cut on her nose. It's getting heaps better. She there's a little gap in the cage inside. Trouble, look at me. And she split it. So we clean it every day. Yeah, that's gone down heaps. Hey, thank you. Now, what do you got your eye on, Bingo? It's our new sign that I put up today. Oh, read it. Sorry, our dogs are terrible singers. They're good at night though. Hello. What are you doing?